Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I'll show you how to add signature to your Outlook. First open your Outlook. Then from the top left, click New Email. Now you can see there's signature option. Click there. Then click Signatures. Now you can see there are no signature added. So click New and give it a name. Then OK. Now you can add your signature in text or you can upload your signature as PNG. You can style your signature by changing font style and font size. On the right side, you can see there are box. You can upload your signature as PNG from there. Now click OK. Now if you want to write a email, just click signature and then click your signature name. The signature will automatically added. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.